In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Walmart jobs online. Whether you're looking for a part-time position or a full-time role, the process is straightforward once you know what to do. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Walmart Careers website. You can do this by simply typing in careers, walmart.com into your browser's address bar. It's always good to bookmark this page for quick access in the future, should you be considering multiple positions or need to come back to check on your application status. Once you're on the website, the next step is to search for jobs that catch your interest. You'll find a search bar prominently placed on the page where you can enter a job title, such as cashier or stock associate, to see openings specific to the role you're aiming for. If you have specific keywords in mind that could narrow down your search further, feel free to use them. Additionally, entering your city, state, or zip code will help locate jobs that are conveniently located near you. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and hit the search button. Now that you have your search results in front of you, take your time to browse through the available job listings. Each listing will give you an overview of what's expected, so it's important to find one that matches your skills and availability. If something catches your eye, click on the job title to view a comprehensive job description, including the requirements and schedule. This is where you'll want to ensure it aligns with what you're looking for and fits into your availability. After reviewing, and if you decide this job is a good fit for you, click on the Apply Now button found on the job details page. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Creating a new account is straightforward and won't take long at all. With your account set up, you can move on to completing the online application. This includes filling in your personal information, such as your name, address, phone number, and email. You'll also need to provide details of your work experience and educational background. Be thorough, as this paints a clearer picture of you as a candidate. Additionally, you might encounter some screening questions that relate to the position. Answer these honestly and accurately. Uploading your resume is optional, but highly recommended, as it can expedite your application process by negating the need to fill out every detail manually. Once everything is in place, take a moment to review all your entries to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Submit Application button to send your application through, and there you have it. Applying for a job at Walmart online is as simple as that. Remember, patience is key as the recruitment process can vary in time. Best of luck, and I hope you find a position that's perfect for you.